What's the meaning of berry? Berry. Berry.
Berry. Berry. The word berry typically refers to a small, pulpy fruit that is usually brightly colored and contains seeds. Berries come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and flavors, and are often used in cooking, baking, or as a snack. Some common types of berries include strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and cranberries. Berries are known for their high levels of antioxidants, which are beneficial to human health. They are also an important source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. In addition, some cultures use berries for medicinal purposes, such as treating digestive issues, fever, or inflammation.